How to add Instagram highlight without posting to story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your story option at the top left corner of the screen. Here, simply you can select any picture from your gallery or you can simply click a picture. I'm going to select a picture from the gallery. Now, what you can do over here in order to post or add a story onto highlights, but we do not want to post it to story, is to simply post it on close friends because we do not have any other options. So we're going to select on the close friends option over here. So you can simply select or add people who do not matter if they look or not. So you can simply tap on it and select on add people over here. So let's just randomly add people for now, then tap on done and select on share. After you do that, tap on add to highlights, select on your highlights over here and then tap on done, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.